Welcome back to the channel. Now we're just changing the spark plug on this Toyota Camry 2002 model, on the last model we had in Europe. Changing spark plug is actually a very easy job on this car, but if you haven't done it and are afraid of doing something wrong, just watch. Okay. Yeah, and then we're trying to change the spark plugs. After the guys who deliver it finally understand we needed 4, not 1, not 3, or sorry, they don't understand. So, let's see. Look at me. 10 millimeters. Take off the cover to come to the plugs. There, you see 10 millimeters to take off the coils. Take off the plugs. Wiring. There. Of course it had to start raining. I have to go and get a jacket. Here we need a bigger garage. If someone could please help with that, that would be nice. Big garage. 4 or 5 cars. Thank you. Take off the coil pack.
Pappa?
Jeg får filme.
There. Then we have the IFR6T-11. In NGK. I have to find out what big they are. Five eighths or 16 millimeter. Supposed to be right.
too short. Maybe with the rubber part on this one. They don't look too bad. I was thinking this will look a lot worse. This don't look bad at all.
Så vi var på
Bensin. I was believing that this one is supposed to be bad since the car didn't perform as it should. And after we cleaned the map or MAF sensor, because it haven't been changed for long, I've been driven with a bad sensor, like unclean sensor. Of course, it just started raining even more. Around 28 Newton meters. Now it's 28 newtons. Now it's 28. And finish with the other. We just put them back like they was before. This one was the first. Number 2, they're supposed to be the same, but no point taking any chances. Number 3. All screws on a car is bad to over tighten. Then you ruin more. It's better it loosen up a little and have to do it again. Especially this is plastic. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Need to glue sometimes. Two top cover bolts, 10mm. There. Then it's back. The chance of messing up this is quite small. The wires are not long enough so you can mess them up. At least it started. It's very simple job. Changing the plug there is very simple. We was thinking it was going to change more, but the spark plug was in the car. The very good. It didn't look to be bad. As you see in our video before, we cleaned the sensor. Then after that, the car wouldn't drive as it should before that. After that it drives much better, but it's not perfect. So now we was hoping as it was the spark plugs. They looks nice, but maybe we have to try. 2AZ-FE. No timing belt, so no stress with that. It's chain. So now it's just testing and see how it's working. It's the only way to find out. So I hope you like this little video. It's fast little of how to change the plugs. For the most people this is very simple, but for some of us that would like to learn something and haven't done it before, maybe you learn something new today. So hope you come back, hope you subscribe to the channel, hope you put a like if it was an okay video, and I hope you put some comments, good, bad, everything, what you want to learn. Maybe me and Roger here could find even more on these Camrys, because the problems is coming back. Something is coming all the time. So thank you.